in terms of winning a case. And that's what you need to go out there and do as a lawyer. So that's a very interesting, uh, very important piece of information to be equipped with when you're going out there and also essaying the part. Warm in every sense of the term, and it means a lot to Sanjay, me and the entire team of Jazba that you all are here giving us such joy and welcoming us with our music, dancing to our music, cheering and braving the heat with this kind of enthusiasm. It's our pleasure to be here at Divin with you all. And now to answer Riddhi's question, that it was an easy yes for me to do Jazba. As you rightly identified, the script was the most gripping factor, and working that in combination with a director like Sanjay Gupta, Gups to us, we call him Gups fondly, and his style of narrative is just so contemporary.
But being in the position you were in, it would be twice as interesting. What, according to you, was the most interesting part of the story?
Since I am addressing law students here, I must confess that this world is actually very new to us civilians, because we presume we know enough about the goings on, and actually not everybody does. And to a lot of us, I think we are also very conditioned by what we have viewed in cinema, because that's our impression of the world of law, whereas you all here have a first-hand insight into what it really takes. And there's such an interesting dialogue in the movie that, you know, the screenplay writers and Sanjay had me read at the very beginning, where actually as lawyers, whether you're the prosecutor or you know, whether you're on the side of the defendant, what you're actually doing here is just practicing law. There is nothing called right and wrong in the books of law. What you have to do is go out there and do your job and do your best to have your client's case be the winner of win the case. That's what you're really looking forward to doing as a lawyer. That's your job. So it's about being professional and literally fighting to the very end in terms of winning a case. And that's what you need to go out there and do as a lawyer. So that's a very interesting, very important piece of information to be equipped with when you're going out there and also essaying the part, because that's the conviction with which you go out there and fight your case at that point in time. Apart from what the character is going through personally, you have to go out there and do what you professionally need to do when you take on a case. And that was very, very interesting for me to essay. And to be professional about it, irrespective of personal circumstances. So that was such an important note to have when you're there on set, putting out what you need to put out. And that's the way the character has essayed it. So I don't know if that will be new to common perception, but Sanjay was very clear that that's the way you go out there and play your part in all the scenes that you're there in court addressing and fighting the case. It's not about taking your personal baggage there onto that battlefield, as they say. Look, on a lighter note, she's asking me what happens at home in an argument between me and my spouse, Abhishek. We ain't lawyers, we are just a couple having a discussion. It's never called an argument, it's called a healthy discussion.
Do you really think the husband ever wins? So
I'm going to ask the question that he asked. So he said, Sanjay, you have constantly worked with a lot more male leads in the past, a lot more, as the word I use, testosterone-infused cinema. So he said, now that you've worked with a subject that does have very strong female protagonists, and that's both, there's me, there's Shabana ji, of course, I mean, Irfan is exceedingly strong. When you see the movie, you will know all characters are very integral to the narrative. But he asked Sanjay, now that you have so many female protagonists also in this film, what did you have to possibly change or reduce? I corrected him right there that nothing needs to be reduced just because there are females in a film. You stand corrected right there. But now Sanjay can answer your question.
Well, I've been known to do films with Sanju, John, and the other guys. But she's in no way less. And those films had a hero, this film has a hero. And the hero's right here. So nothing, I didn't have to really do anything tremendously different or dramatic. As a matter of fact, life was sorted because when the guys come on set, they don't come with the kind of homework. They don't come with the what's the right word? With the discipline. Simple discipline, yes. So yes, I mean, it's actually easier this way.